We're going to revert now to earnings, and we've got earnings from Jubilant Life Sciences for the fourth quarter. Net sales have come in at 890 crore rupees and net profit has come in at 62 crore rupees. I'm not doing a year-on-year comparison here because there was a scheme of arrangement and hence the numbers are not really comparable. But joining us this morning, Shyam Bhartia, Chairman and Managing Director of Jubilant Life Sciences. Sir, good morning. This is Manvi here in the Delhi studio. Glad you could make the time to join us here on NDTV Profit. Let's just talk about this, fourth quarter. We're not doing a comparison right now because of the scheme of arrangement, but it's not been a stunner quarter. However, it seems like the base is set for pretty robust revenue growth because of the capacity that you've got planned.
Yeah. Good morning, Manvi. And if you see the whole year's of performance compared like-to-like basis on life science business, our sales has grown by 1%, but if you exclude the one-time revenue which we had last year on H191 opportunity, then the company has recorded a growth of 7% on sales. And what has been really muted is the EBITDA margins on our product business has been excellent, 22.4% for the whole year, but the margins on the service business, which is 4.6% whole year, I think that was mainly because of the loss of revenue as compared to last year on H191 opportunity which we had last year and which we couldn't have this year, which we were expecting but didn't come in our way because of the intensity of H191 went down in US and in European countries. But we are very well poised for the growth in the next year. Mm-hmm. We expect margins of the service business to come to double digits and we hope to increase our profits and sales both quarter on quarter mainly because of the increase in the business margins and sales growth, because we have a good order book position and we strongly believe that this will result in increase in sales, also an substantial increase in margins in the service business, and when the product business remains very strong in view of the new expansion and commissioning of the new plants, we expect excellent sales growth and also margin growth.
I do want to dwell on that for a moment, sir, because you're expecting to launch 55 new products, including solid dosage forms, API and proprietary products, and that fits in nicely with your capacity expansion. So can you just distill it down to a kind of revenue target that you're chasing for the current fiscal?
We are commissioning many new plants and we are launching about 55 new launches during this year, which is one of the maximum which we company launched as compared to previous years, and this would add to the sales growth. We expect a high double-digit sales growth and our EBITDA growth margins we expect higher than the sales growth. So we are very well poised with regard to the commissioning of the new plants and also the new launches. Mm-hmm. Also the geographical expansion. We believe that this growth is going to led by Europe and Japan. We expect that 40% growth in the coming year, and we hope to double this growth in the next year.
Okay.
2013, and also the emerging market growth we expect to grow about 35-40% this year, and we expect to double this totally in the FY13.
So, one quick question on the immediate issue, which is the FCCB repayment of $142 million. I believe it's due on the 19th of May coming up. What's the plan? Adequate cash in hand for that?
Yeah, we have already said that we already have about 1,000 crore, more than 1,000 crore cash in hand, and we have to pay about $200 million on 19th May, and already cash in hand is already there. So we will completely meet our liabilities of FCCB, which is due on 19th May.
Mr. Bhartia, I really appreciate your time. Thanks very much for joining us this morning to run us through what the fourth quarter has been like for Jubilant Life Sciences and also what the plan for this current fiscal is. That was Shyam Bhartia, Chairman and Managing Director of Jubilant Life Sciences. The stock is up 4.5%, if I saw that tally right.